Welcome! Today we're going to be demonstrating how to use the new ETH bridge and gas faucet built by Shade Protocol using MetaMask. This bridging process applies for all Ethereum assets. When connecting your MetaMask, you can select to use it just for bridging or for full application access. If you select to use MetaMask just for bridging, you can select to bridge your ETH assets into Shade's private DeFi ecosystem with MetaMask and deposit your assets into an existing Kepler wallet. If you select to use MetaMask for the full app, your ETH assets will be deposited into a new secret network wallet that is generated based on your MetaMask. While using the Shade Protocol private dApps, your assets are private by default, meaning your balances and transaction history are encrypted. In order for users to view these details, they need to create a decryption tool called a viewing key. We'll create this key later in the bridging process. When new users bridge into the secret network from Ethereum, they will likely not have any SCRT to use for gas on Shade Protocol. At the end of the bridging process, users will be prompted to interact with the gas faucet so they can create a key for their private ETH they just bridged in as well as acquire some gas. Input the amount of ETH you'd like to bridge from Ethereum to secret network and select bridge. Then approve the bridge transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Now your ETH is on its way into private DeFi. In the top right corner, you'll notice a pending transfer window. If you click this window, you'll see a full tracking process for the steps involved in moving your ETH from Ethereum to secret network. Each step of the process being tracked includes links to the appropriate block explorer where users can verify where their assets are at all points of the bridging process. As users are waiting for the bridging process to complete, they can travel around the application and visit different pages, and the bridge tracking process will remain in the top right corner of the application. If users would like to switch or disconnect wallets, they can click the Stop Tracking button in the bridge tracking window. If you click the Stop Tracking button, you will not be able to resume tracking this transaction later. Once your Ethereum assets arrive on the secret network, you will see a Complete Transfer button appear in the top right corner of the application. Click Complete Transfer. Next, you will be prompted to create a decryption key, referred to as a viewing key, in order to view your private ETH balance as well as acquire some SCRT for gas. This process wraps both viewing key creation and gas acquisition into a single transaction for users. Once you click Create Viewing Key and Acquire Gas button, you'll see a pop-up that shows how much of your bridged assets such as ETH is going to be swapped for SCRT to use for gas. The fee grant is what pays for the swap from ETH to SSCRT and then unwrap to SCRT, as well as pay for the viewing key creation since users can't do this without previously acquiring SCRT. Once you approve this transaction, you will have acquired SCRT and created a viewing key to view your private balance of ETH, and now you are ready to explore private decentralized finance. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.